Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl, thesophieyang on your screens. Again, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome for coming back, or thank you for coming back. Please do not forget to click the subscribe button before we proceed into this video. And before we get into this video, if you're watching this right now, please click on the like button. Yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Yes, I'm waiting. Have you done that? Okay, let's get into it. Okay, as you read from the caption, guys, I am going to be giving you the list of how I went through the process of transforming my Instagram feed to looking like this. Yeah, from this to this. Yes. So guys, I'm going to be giving you all those tips on how you can create your Instagram theme or how you can have an aesthetic feed. Yes. So without further ado, if you've liked this video and if you've subscribed, just those who have liked and subscribed, let us continue.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
So guys, how do you create your Instagram theme or an aesthetic feed? Now I'm going to be telling you all the tips I followed, to not necessarily all of them that I followed, but I researched some of these ones that the ones that I did not follow, so that I can be giving you guys the best of the best. Okay, so yeah, and I'm also going to be giving you reasons why I did not go through some of the process I'm going to be giving out to you guys. Okay, so the first one, and I'm with my notes here, do before trying to have an aesthetic feed, is to discover and research what you want. Do you understand? You have to discover yourself. You have to discover your niche. You have to know what you want to put out. You have to know your niche, what's the kind of content you want to be putting out, basically. So yeah, you have to discover that. Like I said, you have to figure out what you want. You have to figure out your niche. You have to figure out how you want people to feel when they look at your feed. Let's define what an Instagram pattern is. What is an Instagram pattern or an Instagram theme? So an Instagram theme is a cohesive pattern of images, colors, and content that is visually appealing in a grid of your Instagram. Yeah, this is very simple. This is very simple. You see all those Instagram accounts that you come across and you're like, oh my god, this is so beautiful, like this and this. Yeah, you come across them and you're like, oh my god, this is so beautiful, and these are the things they did for them to be able to achieve this and this. Like I said, you have to find out your niche. You have to find out your brand color. For example, a color scheme helps you to guide. It helps you guide your Instagram grid. A color scheme, knowing that color scheme that you want to use while transforming your Instagram feed to an aesthetically pleasing feed. You have to know a color scheme. And by the way, guys, this is not it's not must for you to do this. You can go ahead and do whatever thing you want. This is just for people that want an organized Instagram team or a cohesive Instagram team. You understand? Yeah, if you want this is for you. If you don't mind any of these, then do whatever you like. By the way, it's your Instagram account. You get that? Yeah. So you have to find out your brand color, and yeah, it guides you to create an Instagram theme on your grid. You get that? Yes. So you decide if the images you post must be bright, white, colorful, um, black, because I've seen black feeds. I've seen people that their theme is black and white. And when you go to those pages, like, they are so beautiful. Seriously. Yeah, you decide your theme how you want your theme to be. You decide how you want your grid to be. If you want it to be white, neutral, minimal, colorful, etc. Yeah, so these are the first things you have to discover. These are the first things you have to find out. These are the first thing you have to research about. And once you find all these things, then you now proceed to the second thing you should do to achieve a aesthetically pleasing feed or an Instagram theme. Yeah, so now the second thing you should do is decide on your content posting pattern. Yeah, and what do I mean by decide on your content posting pattern? This is like knowing how you go about posting, if it's every day or 4 times a week or 3 times a week, or however time a week you want to post. Know the particular thing you're supposed to posting on whatever thing, on whatever day you're supposed to be posting. It's just like, I'm going to be leaving a picture here so that you guys can get what I mean. It's just like so this means that you want to organize your Instagram feed. You want an organized Instagram feed. So I am a sucker for a very, very, like, arrange things like, this has to be here, this should always be here. So this is just something about me. I didn't even know that I could imply it or apply it to my Instagram feed till I got older. And we get older every day. Our mindset changes every day. We grow up, and it's not must that you're gonna do this forever in your life. Remember that change is constant, and whenever you feel like I don't like this anymore, I'm not a colorful person anymore, you can switch it up to being minimal or having a white aesthetic feed. Do you understand? So yeah, it's not something that you have to do all your life. Once you feel that something has changed, you can switch it up too. Yeah, so that's the good thing about this whole thing. And if you have checked my Instagram account, you'll find out that I have gone from posting anything and everything to posting only makeup related videos and pictures, to posting colorful pictures. You can see them, you can see it, to posting colorful pictures, and to posting like chill, calm, minimal kind of pictures and posts and all of that. So yeah, that's just it. Change is constant. So like I was saying, you have to decide on your content posting pattern. You have to decide if you want to do full pictures, selfie, detailed picture. It's your choice. You have to decide these. Okay, these are just the steps you can go through. Guys, no need to explain further. The pictures are going to be on the screen here. It depends on what you want. If you want to do selfies, flat lay, full picture, detailed pics, flat lay, selfies. It depends on you and what you want. Now, once you know your posting pattern, it gets easier. Guys, once you know your posting pattern, it gets easier from then. Yes. So also understand how you balance your color scheme. That is why you need to find out your color scheme. And finding out your brand color or your color scheme, you can use this app, Adobe Capture, helps you find out your color scheme or your brand color. All you have to do is to put up a picture and it helps you with the colors on there. Okay, so yeah, and that way you will now be able to find out your color scheme or your brand color. So yeah, like I said, once you find out your posting pattern, find out your color scheme, it gets easier. And that is how you move over to the next thing, which is to start creating. Yes, start creating. I don't know if you do fashion, beauty, travel, what else? Motivational quotes, whatever thing you do. Once you find out these first two things or these first things that I mentioned, the next thing for you to now do is to start creating. And if you have not seen my previous video on, I don't know if this video is going to go up before then, but if you have not seen the video of how I batch create my content, please click the card up here to watch the video. It's going to give you an insight of how I batch create my content. Yeah, and as you are planning on having an aesthetic feed, that video is going to help you on how to follow the next step, which is creating content. Now all you have to do is to go out and create content. If it's pictures, if it's video, if it's motivational quotes or write-up, like I said earlier, posting carousels and carousel write-ups and all of that, all you have to do is to start creating. When you're posting carousel write-up, you don't have to like go out to take pictures. All you have to do is to probably use your Canva or PicMonkey or whatever app that you use, and then find your stock images to make it a little more interesting and spicy it up. You get what I mean? So yeah, but for we or for you that is doing fashion, doing lifestyle, doing beauty, you have to take pictures, you have to make videos, you have to now start creating. Like I said, if you've not seen how I create my content, how I plan and batch create my content, click the card up to watch that video. It is going to help you figure some of these things out if you don't know. Okay, so yeah, this is the third thing you need to do next. And now the fourth thing is to edit. Yeah, and when it comes to editing, I think I will quickly just get into my editing my phone with you guys, so you guys will see how I edit. Okay, so I am going to turn on my screen recorder now and I'm going to open the Lightroom app. And as soon as I open the Lightroom app, I am going to choose a picture I want to edit so that you guys will see how I edit my pictures. So now, to edit this particular picture, which picture will I use now? Okay, let me use this. To edit this particular picture, all I have to do is click on this and choose the soft presets and click on this go tick here and save it, export it to my camera roll. Boom, simple as ABCD. Did your mind not just blow right now? Okay, it is that easy. So which leads me to the me announcing this or letting you guys know this. I am going to be releasing my preset pack very soon, and believe me, this preset pack is something that is going to change your Instagram feed game. It's going to like change it. It's going to change it from this to this. Okay, so guys, prepare your coins, and believe me, it is the most affordable deal that you ever see out here. I have different kinds of presets. If you like colors, if you want to do the neutral, if you want to do white, minimalist, whatever it is, I got so it. Yes guys, these are the steps you follow. Like I said, the first thing you do is to discover and research whatever thing or however way you want your feed to be. You have to discover, then you research, then you decide on your content posting pattern, then you start creating, and then you edit those things, pictures or video or write-up that you have created. Yeah, and the next thing is to plan your posts. Now, how do I plan my posts? I use the preview app to plan my posts. And hold on, there are other apps that you can use in planning your posts. We have Onum, we have Panoli, we have what's this called? Plan. Yes, we have all these. Like if you open your app store or your Play Store, you're going to find them, and all you have to do is to download them. And if you understand English, believe me, you understand how it works. Yes, so I use preview for myself. I use preview to plan my post, and yeah, that's the next thing you have to do for you to like get this aesthetic feed. And don't forget that for you to achieve a proper aesthetic feed, you have to at least post like up to 9 pictures on your Instagram feed for it to start coming in together. Yes, 9 pictures and more. So yeah, this is it. This is the last thing you have to do, and that's it. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you have learned or you've gotten all the tips and the steps you need to follow in creating or building your Instagram aesthetically pleasing feed or Instagram pattern. Yeah, I hope this video helped you. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please do not forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Yes, follow me on Instagram. If you have any questions that I did not answer on this video, feel free to leave it in the comment section or come down into my Instagram DM and ask me. Yes, feel free, I'm gonna answer you. And yeah, do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Yes, share to whoever you know that needs this, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's important to me. Please, I take the God they beg you, subscribe. Click on that subscribe button. I'm now blabbing. I am thirsty. My mouth is paining me. I've been filming since today, so this is more reason you need to help my life. Let's hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of I don't know. Let's just help me hit 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoyed this video, feel free, screen record it, post on your Instagram stories, and tag me. I'm gonna see you on my next one. Thank you so much for always watching. Thank you so much for always commenting. I love you so much. Bye.